Okay, so Aman has gone to school, but we needed a little bit of food for our budgies and zebra finch. So my daughter Amina, say hello. Right, okay, so Amina and myself, we are all of us trying to feed the bird, but we need to we need to clean them first. We need to clean. Aja, hold on, wait here, wait. So this is what we're going to do. Amina is really excited to open this food box, but I just asked her to wait. Amina, can you wait a little bit? No, why not? This is our another budgie in the house, and this is our bird. They are very excited. I was trying to get a good picture. Okay. But this is what we're going to do today, is to clean the water first. Amina, do you know we're going to have clean the water? Okay. So I actually emptied the water like this. So there is no much of dirt.
Daddy,
Yeah.
yoga.
No, a little bit later. I mean, a little bit later. Okay, so I'm gonna push. I mean, look, water. I'm just gonna pour some water in there slowly, so the bird can drink. Oops, little bit overflow. Okay, so the water is done. Now we're now going to give some food. The problem with this food is, although it looks like there's lots of food left, as you can see here, but they are not actually a real food. Amina, do you want to see?
No.
So that's not actually food. They are all the shell, the outer shell of the all the grain. So not a single grain has any value to it. Yeah. Okay. Do you want to touch? Do you want to hold? Okay. Let me do it. Do it, Amina. Baba needs to do it. You sit down here. Okay. Good job. Well, wait there. That's very sharp, Amina.
Papa?
Yeah. I will give you chance, Amina. Wait karo. Boo, wait karo. Okay, so I'm just trying to clean them up so we can get loads of it in there. Okay. And I can use this as a warm area for the bird. And I tend to clean twice a week the area, because they are little bird and they don't really make that much mess.
Buddy.
Okay. Budgie. So the bird is on the top, and okay, let me take the bird. Okay, so this is the female, the yellow one, and the green one is the male, and then the little zebra finch, he's also making friends with them. So yeah, we need to get another zebra finch of no, we don't need any more water. I mean, that's done. Don't need any more water. Yeah, we need some food. Yes. Okay, so
Daddy.
we are going to get some food in Budgie's box. Okay. Okay, Amina.
Daddy.
Mm-hmm.
Yoga.
Mm-hmm.
Budgie.
Oh, no, we're not gonna make mess.
Daddy.
Yeah, hold on.
Budgie.
Okay. No. Okay. Okay, that's it. Well done. So, this is the food we normally give to the bird. As you can see here.
Boy.
I'll show you in my hand. Okay, so this is the grain. Okay, and my daughter is wish to do feed them. So, okay, do. That's well done. Arak to do. Well done. Good job. Okay. So that's what I'm doing because she wants to play with them. So yeah, I know she's making a mess. Okay. Although that's it. Well done. Okay. Okay, I think that's enough. I mean, that's enough. Okay, now Baba will have to do it. Now Baba needs to do it. Okay. No. No, she really wants to do it. She doesn't let me do it. So this is what I'm going to do. Is okay. I think that's enough. That's enough. No more. Finish. We done.
Budgie.
We done with the budgies. We done feeding.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Budgie.
So we feed them this grain and the water there. There was a water cover, but because all three birds are so nice, they actually fought each other and they broke the cover. So this is the male, which is very good looking, and this is the female zebra finch. So we have three birds, two budgies and one zebra finch. So we need to get one male, as I explained to you. In terms of looking after, it's not really hard. The only issue is when they eat all the food, all the grain shell, they tend to go outside like this way. But this is my daughter actually made this mistake, so it's not the bird fault. However, normally their eating is very messy. You have to clean every single day, but it's not a big mess, to be honest. And for the poo, we have to clean. I tend to clean twice a week because I place some tissues on there and also some straw. So what it does, if they leak any water, the tissue absorb them and the straw absorb them as well and give them some warmth as well. So every 2 weeks I can clean them. So this is how I normally look after the budgies and finch.